Today we have a little informative video about our coin mechanisms. See, here we have 3 coin mechanisms. They all look very similar. They're all slightly different though in the end. So the main thing is, see, these are all 25 cents. The main thing is on the backs. Okay, so this one will work with our classic gumball machine, the all-metal gumball machine, and the Supreme gumball machine. It has the star in the back, no bracket. This one, pretty much the same mechanism with the bracket. This one will go on your all-metal triple vending machine. When you open it up, this little bracket here will secure it to the inside to keep it from getting wobbly. And this one is for our bubble machine, the original bubble gum machine. And you'll see that the star on the back is approximately a 1/4 inch in size. That makes a big difference when you get the coin mechanism, because these two are very similar except for the brackets, or the star brackets in the back. And as you can see, they all measure about 3.5 by 3 inches. All 3 of them are the same, 3.5 by 3 inches. And there you have the coin mechanism explanation. Thank you for watching this informative video.